Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to return a GNC product. First, always keep your receipt or proof of purchase, as it's essential for any return. Next, understand that most items can be returned within 30 days for a full refund. Be aware that some products, especially opened ones, might have different return conditions. Knowing these basics will make your return process much smoother and quicker. For items bought in a GNC store, simply bring the product and your receipt to any GNC location. You have 30 days from the purchase date to receive a full refund to your original payment method. If you don't have a receipt, GNC brand products can often be exchanged, or you might receive store credit. Remember, a valid photo ID is usually required for these transactions. If you purchased your GNC product online, you have two options: return it to a physical store or mail it back. When mailing, securely package the item, preferably in its original box, and include the packing slip. You are responsible for return shipping costs unless the item was damaged or incorrect. Allow up to 14 days for your refund to process once GNC receives your return. GNC's policy allows returns for most products, even if they've been opened or used within 30 days. However, be aware that shipping and handling charges are typically not refunded. Items like gift cards or GNC memberships are usually final sale. Always keep your return tracking number if mailing an item, and expect refunds to be processed within 30 days of GNC receiving your product.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.